We all know Bitcoin, the first and largest cryptocurrency, the king of digital assets. Then there's Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized applications and smart contracts. But here's something people don't realize. What comes next? If you ask the average crypto investor, they might struggle to name the third major crypto project by market capitalization. It's not Dogecoin, not Solana, not even Cardano. The answer? XRP. At its peak, XRP had a market cap of over $180 billion, making it one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in existence. But unlike Bitcoin, it wasn't designed to be digital gold. Unlike Ethereum, it doesn't depend on complex smart contracts. XRP was built for something different, something much bigger. Imagine a world where sending money across borders is as easy as sending a text message. No delays, no high fees, no outdated banking systems. That's the vision behind Ripple, the company behind XRP. But what exactly is XRP? How does it work? And why does it stand apart in a sea of thousands of digital assets? Well, like many groundbreaking ideas in tech, it all began with a group of ambitious minds who wanted to challenge the status quo. Three visionaries, Chris Larsen, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito, had a bold vision to revolutionize the way money moves across the world. Unlike Bitcoin, which was designed as a decentralized store of value, and Ethereum, which focused on smart contracts, these three innovators wanted something different. They saw the inefficiencies in traditional banking systems, the slow and expensive international transfers, and knew there had to be a better way. That's where Ripple and XRP come into play. But what most people didn't know is that Ripple and XRP are not the same thing. They were created at different times for different purposes, yet they work together to achieve the same goal, making cross-border payments as seamless as sending an email. Take for instance the Ripple. Before it became a major player in the crypto space, it started as a fintech company called RipplePay in 2004 in San Francisco. At its core, Ripple's mission has always been the same: to improve international payments and challenge legacy systems like SWIFT, the banking network that has handled global transactions for decades. Now, Ripple's real breakthrough came in 2012 when it stepped into the world of cryptocurrency. With the launch of its native token, XRP, Ripple built an entire global payment network known as RippleNet. This wasn't just another blockchain project. It was a full-fledged system designed to help banks, financial institutions, and businesses move money faster, cheaper, and more efficiently.
Given how punitive the SEC has been towards crypto under this administration, do you envision the XRP Ledger being incorporated into the financial institutions in the future?
Well, I certainly cannot speak to any specific crypto, but I do think that the sort of cryptocurrency is an interesting and probably valuable bulwark against a centralized control. This is definitely not an endorsement or lack of endorsement for XRP, but I do think crypto, by its very nature, it helps with individual freedom.
Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which rely on miners and energy-intensive proof of work, RippleNet operates differently. It provides real-time gross settlements, meaning transactions settle almost instantly. It can even handle fiat currencies, Bitcoin, and even assets like gold without needing a bank as an intermediary. But to power this system, Ripple needed something crucial: a digital asset that could act as a bridge between different currencies. That's where XRP comes in. Launched in 2012, XRP is more than just another cryptocurrency. It was designed from the ground up as a fast, scalable, and cost-effective solution for moving money. At its core, Ripple is a company, a fintech powerhouse that built an advanced digital payment network. XRP, on the other hand, is the cryptocurrency that powers that network. And then there's the XRP Ledger, XRPL, the open-source blockchain where all XRP transactions are recorded. Think of it this way. Ripple is like the company that built a high-speed train system. XRP is the currency used to buy tickets, and XRPL is the railway tracks making sure everything runs smoothly. They're connected, but they aren't the same thing. Over the years, Ripple has rebranded and evolved, acquiring major crypto businesses like Medico, Fortress Trust, and Standard Custody to strengthen its financial infrastructure. But through it all, XRP has remained a constant, still holding its place as one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies for cross-border payments. At the heart of XRP's speed and efficiency is the XRP Ledger, XRPL, a blockchain that works differently from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires mining, or Ethereum, which now relies on staking, the XRPL doesn't need miners or stakers to validate transactions. Instead, it uses a unique consensus mechanism, where trusted servers, called unique nodes, agree on which transactions are valid. If 80% of those nodes reach an agreement, the transaction is confirmed almost instantly. This system is what makes XRP so fast and cost-effective. Transactions settle in just a few seconds, without the energy-intensive process of mining. However, like any system, it's not perfect. In the past, the XRPL has experienced syncing issues, leading to temporary slowdowns. But over time, improvements have made the network far more reliable. But apart from that, the biggest advantages of XRP is how it's used in RippleNet's on-demand liquidity (ODL) service. Traditionally, if a bank wanted to send money overseas, it needed to hold large reserves of foreign currency in different countries. This is an outdated, costly system that ties up billions of dollars in unused funds. RippleNet solves this problem by using XRP as a bridge currency. Let's say a bank in the US wants to send $1 million to a bank in Japan. Normally, this would take days, going through multiple banks and racking up high fees. But with XRP, the process will be much simpler and quick. First, the US bank converts dollars into XRP, and XRP is sent instantly to the Japanese bank. The Japanese bank converts XRP into yen, completing the transaction in seconds. Sending money across borders with traditional banking systems can cost up to $50 per transaction. XRP does it for fractions of a cent. International transfers often take days to complete. XRP does it in seconds. Ripple has even managed to build strong partnerships with banks and financial institutions, something very few crypto projects can claim. Since as early as 2017, banks like Santander, Amex, and Mitsubishi UFJ have been using RippleNet to speed up transactions and reduce costs. But that doesn't mean XRP hasn't faced challenges. The biggest hurdle? Regulation. In 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) came after Ripple, accusing the company of selling unregistered securities in the form of XRP. What followed was a 4-year-long legal war that shook not just Ripple, but the entire crypto industry. At the heart of the case was a fundamental question: is XRP a security or a currency? Ripple has always maintained that XRP is a digital asset meant for payments, just like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But the SEC argued that Ripple's institutional sales of XRP were investment contracts, meaning they should have been registered under US security laws. The lawsuit dragged on for years, casting a shadow over XRP's future. But then, in July 2023, Ripple landed a game-changing legal victory. A US judge ruled that Ripple did not violate security laws by selling XRP on public exchanges. The moment the ruling was announced, XRP's price skyrocketed by 75% as investors saw it as a massive win for Ripple, and possibly even the broader crypto market. The judge also determined that Ripple's direct sales of XRP to institutional investors, totaling $728.9 million, did qualify as unregistered securities sales. This meant the SEC still had leverage in the case, and the legal fight was far from over. The SEC tried to appeal the July 2023 decision, but they lost. Then, in another blow to the agency, its charges against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen were dismissed entirely. Still, the battle continued into 2024, with the SEC pushing for a massive $2 billion fine against Ripple for its past institutional sales. But a political shift in Washington changed everything. As 2025 began, major leadership changes at the SEC signaled a potential shift in how crypto is regulated. Gary Gensler, the SEC chair who led the charge against Ripple, stepped down. In his place, Mark Uyeda was appointed as acting chair, while Paul Atkins, seen as crypto-friendly, was picked to lead the SEC under President Donald Trump's administration. At the same time, Trump also appointed former PayPal COO David Sachs as his White House AI and crypto czar, a move that sent a clear message: crypto regulation in the US was about to change. And because of that, between July 2024 and early 2025, XRP gained nearly 600%. The rally was fueled by several key factors like Trump's re-election in November 2024, which brought optimism about pro-crypto policies, doubts over the SEC's ability to win its case against Ripple, leading to renewed confidence in XRP, growing adoption of Ripple's network as more institutions explored blockchain-based payments, excitement over potential XRP exchange-traded funds, ETFs, being approved in 2025. On January 15, 2025, XRP reached a 7-year high of $3.40, the same level it hit back in 2017. The surge was driven by a massive increase in trading volume, as well as speculation that a crypto-friendly regulatory environment would benefit Ripple and XRP in the long run. With regulatory clarity on the horizon, XRP may be entering a new phase of growth. The lawsuit is winding down, Ripple is expanding its partnerships, and institutional adoption is picking up. If the new SEC leadership takes a more balanced approach to crypto regulation, we could see XRP solidify its position as a core part of the global financial system. But as always, the crypto market is unpredictable. While things look promising for XRP, nothing is guaranteed. The legal battle isn't fully over yet, and market sentiment can shift quickly. One thing is certain though, XRP has survived multiple crashes, lawsuits, and regulatory uncertainty, and it's still standing. And now, with a changing regulatory landscape, the next chapter of XRP's story is about to be written. So, what do you think? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we have plenty more such videos coming your way. See you in the next video. Until then, cheers.